Hi, welcome to video number 2. In this video, we are going to find products or niches for our website. I have given 5 criteria for selecting the products from Amazon. These criteria are best sellers in Amazon, product rate more than $75, minimum 4-star rating, and which has a greater than 30 reviews, and the niche or the topic has a lot of products. And let's go straight into the Amazon website and see how we are going to find a product. I have not done any research before. I'm just going to see some products, whatever we're going to find. Let's go to Amazon.com. So when you go to Amazon.com, you will be in the home page like this. So you can see the products by department here or from the search function here. So I would like to go somewhere like, let's go here, sports and outdoor. And we will see some products from sports and outdoor. Oh, sorry, if you go to the shop by department here in sports and outdoor, you can find some categories here. So you have exercise, fitness, hunting, fishing, all that. So let's go to outdoor gear. I click the outdoor gear here, and from the outdoor gear, let's see, you can search for the products here if there is anything you're finding interesting, or and there is a lot of featured categories here. So let's find something here like, okay, let's go to tents and let's see what products are available in tents. Okay, so they're giving future brands, as so many brands like Coleman, Eureka, Ketley, name all those kind of things. That's fine. After that, they have given some products, and we don't want to select the product just by looking at the price or something like that. First, I would like you to see the products by best selling. See here, there is a sort button available here that has a best selling. Yeah, I think I would have searched earlier for some other products. That's why it's setting as best selling. Normally, it may be like average customer review or price low to high or high to low. So if there is some other thing, so you have to select the new and best selling. So what Amazon is telling is they sort the products by their best selling in their stores. So for example, if you see here, the Coleman Syndrome 4% tent green, this is the #1 bestseller in the family camping tent. It has a price range of $57 to $229, and that is good. And it has a, so as I told earlier, we need to have a $75 a minimum price. So we have $75 here, and it has a review of 500 reviews. That is more than enough, because I just suggested for 30 or more, and it has a 4-star, a minimum 4-star. Yes, it does have 4-star. So a lot of 5 stars here. If you place a cursor here, it will open. A lot of 5 stars, some 4 stars, and don't worry about the 3 stars. And there are some people who are always not satisfied, so don't worry about them. Majority of them are 4-star and 5-star. And it looks like the tents is also having a lot of products. So if you see in the left side, they have given some information like product brands. For example, if you see here, the featured brands, Coleman brand has a 203 products in that. So it is more than enough, because we are going to create this site, a site which will have a minimum of 25 to 30 pages. So that means we will be requiring around 30 products at least. So keeping in that mind, Coleman is having a lot of products, like 200 products. Or if you have a specific site has a tents or something, so you can add some other brands also. So the tents has a lot of products, so, and it has a lot of high selling products. See here, the second one is saying $109, And the third one is saying $205 as 834. Fantastic. This is very good. This niche looks like very good. I think I have given a niche for you just on top of it. See, it's having around $100, $400. And most important thing, if you think about the camping mindset of the people who are coming to shopping, they don't buy just the camping equipments. They may be needing some other camping equipments like a stove, electric stove, or a flask, or those kind of things. So it's a very good niche actually. Yes, there's a lot of products here. So the next thing we have to search is, so when we decide this the 4% tent is very good, the next thing I want you to go to the Google keyword tool and do some research on the keywords. The reason we are going to do the research is because we want to see whether people are interested in this product. But from this product, I'm very much sure that people are really interested, because this has sold 571, this has sold more than 1,000, this is 800. But we also want to see the keyword, what people are searching. When we go to the keyword and do some keyword research, we will get some more ideas about it. So we just narrowed down a single product like tents. So we are going to concentrate on camping tents. So we will take this camping tent as our niche for the entire product creation now, your website based around the tent. And we will see how that is going to come up with the keyword research. That's it for this video. The next video will cover about the keyword research, and let's see how we are going to find the keyword for these tents. See you in the next video.